We guide you through how to turn off the green light on your iPhone and understand what it means. First thing you need to know is that the green dot appears when an app is using your camera, and it's a built in privacy feature that can't be completely disabled. To stop the green light from appearing, open Settings, go to Privacy and Security, and tap Camera. From here, review the list of apps and toggle off camera access for any app you don't want using your camera. You can also swipe down from the top right corner to open Control Center and see which app is actively using the camera. If the green lights appears unexpectedly, immediately close the app or restart your iPhone to stop camera access. Managing app permissions is the only safe way to control when the green lights appears on your iPhone.